Good afternoon, everyone. This is Christian with PerfectStockAlert.com. Today is Thursday, June the 10th, 2010. And as we do every night, we've got another free alert for you. Check this out. Today's alert is Helmerich and Payne Incorporated, ticker symbol's HP. Not sure I pronounced that right, but right there, HP. Very simple. And we want to recommend a short opportunity here. If you watch our nightly market analysis, we recommend you do that. You can see why we're recommending shorts here. But I want to be going short at 42.16 or higher if at all possible. We've got a lot of overbought indicators here, and we expect this market rally to be a fake. So right here, you're coming up over the overbought on the slow Stoch indicator there. You also have the fact that you are trading above the upper Bollinger Band line right there. This green line right here is the upper Bollinger Band line. Dotted green one is the middle, and this green one here is the bottom, okay? And you also have lots of gaps. Let's see if I can mark them off for. There's one. There's one, okay? So these gaps have to fill. That means you're going to pull back and fill these gaps, all right? Now, you also have indications of these inverted hammers like that. Looks like an arrow pointing down. Yeah, those are telling you that this is a weak trend, and when it's tested, it's going to fall apart. So that's more reasons to be shorting on this uptrend right here. You also notice that there is very weak volume behind today's move up here. And if we move on down, we can find all kinds of good stuff here. We are in an uptrend right there as far as the short term goes, and but I'm thinking that that's running out of time there, running out of speed, and I want to be shorting that. You'll notice here we're at 63.23 on the RSI indicator. Uh, the Anytime the RSI indicator hits 70 or higher, it becomes extremely overbought, and it's an awesome place to be shorting. So I'd start adding to the position at 42.16 today's close, and anything higher that I could. Okay, you do have like I said, an uptrend here developing because of the bullish MACD here. Like I said a moment ago, it's running out of speed, and when the market pulls back down, it will as well falter. Okay, so that's the short call for today. This is not a day trade, so don't get into it thinking you're going to make money tomorrow. You might, but it's something that I'm more willing to hold. For a few days to see it, roll over and peak. Where would you set the stop? The stop loss limit should be 10% above your entry point. If you enter at 42.16, your stop's going to be 46.38 basically, and that actually is the dead high point right here of this candlestick. So right there, this red line right here, that's showing your stop loss limit where that's going to be. Okay, that's awesome. You've also got resistance at this 43.52 level and this 44.65 level. So those are two headwinds that are also going to be weighing on this as it presses higher. Is going to have problems with those levels as well. Okay, and then another one at your stop loss limit. So that's awesome. Very cool. If you haven't been to our free website at perfectstockalert.com, you need to check that out. We have tons of good information there. Our performance beats that of just about anyone else you could probably name, and it's 100% free, so you can't beat that. The only thing we ask in return is you refer a friend. Tell somebody, anybody, to go check out perfectstockalert.com. It's awesome, it's free, and not internet free. It's free. Okay? Also, feel free to subscribe to our YouTube channel. We appreciate that. Let's have a look at our disclaimer. Oh, before we do, where to cover this guy? I almost missed that total point. Okay. To cover him, you have a couple of options. If you're a real short-term trader guy, right here, this gap fill, you could trade that at 39.75 basically, or you could wait for this gap fill down here at about 34 a share, or you could wait for it to hit this lower Bollinger Band line whenever price, the next time price comes down and touches this Bollinger Band line, wherever it's going to be at that moment, because it's constantly changing from day to day, you can exit there. Another way to do that is to monitor the slow Stoch indicator. When it comes back down and hits a 20 line, like it did over here, here, here. Okay, whenever next time that happens and she hits that 20 line, you can cover then. Okay, so that'd be another method you could use. All right, awesome. Let's look at the disclaimer. The disclaimer: everything we say is our opinion. It just happens to be right on an awful lot. Okay, check it out. I'll see you all tomorrow.